Make money online by copy and paste. Hey everyone, welcome back to NordBipole TV. If you're a new member in this channel, please subscribe for more video like this. In today's video, I'll show you how to make real money online using simple copy and paste methods that anyone can do even with zero experience. No special skills, no investment, and it works in 2025. Let's get started. What is copy-paste money making? Copy-paste methods involve taking content like text, links, or images from one place and using it on another platform where it can generate income. These techniques rely on using free tools and websites to get paid without creating your own original content. Examples: copying product descriptions for affiliate marketing, pasting quotes or facts into design tools to sell on print-on-demand sites, copying videos or links to earn rewards or traffic. Method 1. Affiliate marketing with copy and paste. Platform: ClickBank, DGStore24, Warrior Plus Tool, Bitly or Tiny URL to shorten link steps. 1. Go to clickbank.com or dgstore24.com and sign up. 2. Choose a trending digital product, like a weight loss ebook. 3. Click promote and copy your affiliate link. 4. Shorten it using bitly.com. 5. Go to Facebook groups, Quora, or Reddit where people are discussing that topic. 6. Paste your link with a value-driven message like, "This free guide helped me lose 5 kilograms in 3 weeks, maybe it can help you too." Then you put your link. How you make money: every time someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission, from $10 to $100 plus per sale. Method 2. Copy, paste and sell designs, using Canva plus Redbubble. Platform: Canva plus Redbubble or Teespring tool, canva.com, free graphic tool. Steps: 1. Go to canva.com and search for t-shirt design or quote design. 2. Copy famous quotes from websites like goodreads.com or brainyquote.com. 3. Paste into your Canva design. Use simple fonts like Montserrat or Open Sans. 4. Download the design. 5. Upload it to redbubble.com or teespring.com. How you make money: every time someone buys a product with your design, you earn passive income. Method 3. Copy-paste YouTube videos, legally. Platform: YouTube plus Rumble plus ODC tool, YouTube Creative Commons filter. Steps: 1. Go to YouTube and search for videos in Creative Commons category. 2. Copy the link and download it using Y2Mate or any downloader. 3. Re-upload it to rumble.com or odce.com, alternative video platforms that pay creators. 4. Add a new title, tags, and description. How you make money: you earn based on ad views or rewards on those platforms. Note: always check the license of the content before using it. Use only Creative Commons, reuse allowed. Method 4. Use ChatGPT plus copy-paste for content creation. Platform: Medium or Vocal Media or Fiverr tool, ChatGPT, like this one, or Quillbot. Steps: 1. Ask ChatGPT to write an article or social media post. 2. Copy the response. 3. Paste it into medium.com, Vocal Media, or offer as a service on Fiverr. 4. Use Quillbot.com to paraphrase if you want uniqueness. How you make money: earn revenue from reads on Medium and Vocal. Get paid on Fiverr or people per hour for writing services. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips in 2025. Comment below with the method you're going to try, and I'll personally reply to help you succeed. Remember, with copy and paste, you don't need to work harder, just smarter.